or si ma'am, o si teacher. So make that your canvas, yung canvas nyo, make that your life. But, siyempre, ang influence nyo, pwede naman, hindi naman kailangan gayang-gaya ang ating research. Ano? May idea lang kayo kung paano sila gumawa. Yes? Yeah, that's okay. That's good. Actually, walang rule sa art. There's no rule. But there are discipline. Discipline characters. No? But meron kayong walang rule sa art, but you must be responsible on doing art. Okay. Sige. Remember, this is an interactive and collaborative, no? Now, let it dry lang. And then you can start na of using the other colors. Freely. Make sure na nadyan
Tingnan nga natin yung mga teachers.
ng art. Now you can draw anything you want from experiences or what you see. Sige, tingnan